dealing with people that can't ride on the correct side of the road. So no, I don't get why. I mean, I did do it earlier, but I was transferring from one side of the street to the other, so it's very slow. I didn't do that long. It was just easier to go from one side to the other, and there was no traffic. I only ever do when there's no other bikes. Looks like I'm gonna have to take the long way home because it already decided to freeze on me. So if it goes from talking about the bus to talking about people I don't like, sorry about that. Ugh. Don't think I can make this turn. I want to go to the right. Let's see. Ow, look at that, I made it. I usually just walk down because I'm not used to it being that steep. I need to get used to both sides on this bike.